AOSH is an awarding body. They're very new in the industry, and what they're offering is certification on courses for individual practitioners to gain a qualification in health and safety as an alternative to the traditional routes, which are NEBOSH and IOSH courses. Whilst NEBOSH courses and IOSH courses and the traditional courses are fantastic, and I actually offer them as a provider, they're not for everybody. So what AOSH are offering is really an alternative in the way that the individual gains certification. They can do it at their own pace. It's not a sit-down classroom-based course, and they have time to sit the exams and gain the certification. So these courses are really for anyone that's already in the health and safety profession or is interested in getting into the occupational health and safety field as a career. And there are different courses designed for different individuals at different levels. What we're trying to do is help individuals who want to gain a qualification, but also help organisations who want to develop their employees, but don't necessarily want them to send them away or lose them on lengthy training courses. So it works for the employer and for the individual employee. As the ex-president of IOSH, I'm all for individuals getting qualifications and being competent to help industry improve health and safety. I'm working with AOSH because I believe AOSH are offering an alternative to practitioners developing their own competencies in health and safety. And one of the things I love about the AOSH scheme is that it requires continual professional development and a requalification every 5 years to demonstrate their competency. One of the beauties of the certification schemes is they've all been approved via an ISO standard. It's actually ISO 17024, which is all about conformity and training individuals in health and safety to a particular standard. I'm proud to be working with AOSH because I believe they're pioneers in the certification scheme that they're offering, which is new to the UK market, but it's also new to the international market. And the qualifications have no boundaries, so they can operate in the UK and overseas. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how AOSH develops over the next 5 to 10 years.